Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to our class. Today we have to learn second SLO from grade 6 and it's our unit 8 and it's our second lecture on this unit. And in this unit, what is the SLO which we have to learn in this lecture? Let's find out. The SLO is from the competency of grammar and vocabulary, and in this it is our lecture 2. And what is the main topic of the SLO? Functions of conjunction. So I hope you have listened the word conjunctions, and you will definitely use conjunctions in your previous classes while writing, and you have witnessed while reading different texts. So let's find out what our SLO is. Let's read out the SLO. Explain functions of different conjunctions. So our SLO is to identify what conjunctions are and how they perform different functions. So probably you guys have know that what they are using for, because you have read in the last class as the vertical linkage is presenting. You have read in the last class with the name of connectors. So let's go further. Here we have a brainstorming activity, and what we have to do. Let's do it. Here is a prompt. Have you ever used some words to join sentences? I hope you guys have used some words to join the sentences. Let's take an example. You have to write two sentences and you want to write those two sentences in the form of one sentence. So what you will do, you can use and, you can use but, or such type of words to connect those sentences. Let's suppose I can say that my favorite foods is banana and orange as well. So we have used to connect words, phrases and sentences such type of words which are considered as the connectors or the conjunctions. So let's find out what the conjunctions are and how we can use these conjunctions to perform a number of functions. So what are the conjunctions? Let's find out. Conjunctions help to connect words, phrases, clauses to form meaningful sentences and express relationship between different parts of the sentences. What are the conjunctions like? And, although, either, but, because, that's why. So these all are conjunctions which are used in the text, and you have used in the writing as well, and you have witnessed them in the reading as well. So let's go further. Here we have an example how conjunction used to combine the sentences, used to connect the noun to noun, used to connect the clause to clause, used to connect the sentence to sentence. Like in the first example, here the conjunction and is connecting two words, Ali and Ahmad. It is connecting two nouns. Ali and Ahmad are friends. In the second example, which is about the conjunction but, what the conjunction but is doing there? Leave me nothing but a heap of logs. So here the conjunction but is used to connect two clauses. You guys have to know what the clauses are. In the previous SLO we have learned about the clauses, and next we have an example of the conjunction, and it is conjunction or. Why this conjunction is used? Let's find out. Would you like to tea or coffee for breakfast? So here it also used to connect the clauses. There another conjunction, yet she tried her best, yet she could not solve the math problem. So here the conjunction yet is used to connect two sentences. So I hope you guys have understand how different clauses acts in different situation. We have example of for, because, as, and there are a number of conjunctions which are used in English language, and they use to connect word with word, used to connect phrase with phrase, used to connect sentence with sentence, as we have see in the examples. I hope you guys have understand what the conjunctions are and what they are used for. On the base of your understanding, kindly attempt this classroom activity, which will check your knowledge of the conjunction. So let's go further. What we have to do next, there is a simulation which is also centered upon conjunctions, and it will enlarge your understanding of the conjunction and how different conjunctions perform different functions in different sentences and lingual context. So let's go further. Here we have a worksheet. Pause the video and attempt the worksheet on the base of your knowledge of conjunctions. Here we have a homework. The homework is also centered upon conjunctions, and it will check your skill or the understanding of the conjunctions. So let's go further. There is a resource pack with this video which will assist you to understand the conjunction, which will assist you to achieve the SLO, and I hope you guys have understand what are the conjunctions and how different conjunctions perform different functions. If you find any issue, any confusion, any question, you can ask in the comment section and ask from your teacher as well. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.